Howdy folks, Nathan Adlin here at the 2017 North American International Auto Show in balmy Detroit. Behind me is the QX50 from Infiniti, and it is a concept. And coming up next, we're going to tell you a little bit about it. Now, one of the things that's really the star of the show when it comes to the Infiniti QX50 concept is this. This is a 2-liter variable compression 4-cylinder turbocharged engine. And basically what it's able to do is regulate compression between 8-to-1 all the way to 14-to-1. And that basically means that they're able to optimize performance and MPG. Now this vehicle is very important if indeed they decide to build it, and that's because it's going in an ultra competitive class. It would compete against vehicles like the Volvo XC60, the Mercedes-Benz GLC, and of course the Audi Q5. It'll be interesting to see what Infiniti does with this vehicle, but I gotta tell you, the QX50 concept looks like it's ready to be built, doesn't it? For the Fast Lane Car, this is Nathan Adlin coming at you from the 2017 North American International Show, and we are covering this show wall to wall. So don't forget to go to TFL Car and TFL Truck to find that coverage. See you later.